Well, I'm going to take all of you for my errands this morning on a very cold, windy, dreary day. You could see here the new Santa images. Kind of neat. I like it. So first thing we'll do is let's see if Grok will take us to the post office. So here we go. Navigate to the post office.
Post office. There's a box stop half a mile away at 3735 Palomar Center Drive, or United States Postal Service 1 mile away at 1025 Majestic Drive. Both open past 5. Let me know the letter or name like A or B to navigate.
B.
Navigating to the United States Postal Service at 1025 Majestic Drive. It's 1.6 miles away, about 5 minutes, arriving around
Well, that's where I wanted to go. So I could have been more specific in my directions, but I wanted to do it that way to see where it would take me. So here we go. So that's new, having Grok with the ability to take you to a destination. It can also stop at waypoints. It can also try to find places you could describe as I want to have this kind of food, et cetera, et cetera. So some improvements with Grok, and I believe that's only going to get more and more inclusive as time goes by. So here we go to the post office. So this is 14.2.1.25. I have driven it for 2 days. Um, I notice some improvements. I don't notice anything worse. I'm driving in standard, and I have instructions for it to take me to the parking lot. All right, I am going to make a right turn here. Here comes a car to my left that is making a right turn. There is a truck behind him. There's another car behind him. Though I had plenty of room, I would have gone. After this car is another truck, I would go now, and we did. Now we're going to come to a four-way stop. So this truck on the left is going, that car in front of me, the red one, should go, and then it's my turn, and we did. And if you notice, the car actually started going as the other car was going through the intersection. When we get to the post office, for any that have watched me, what happens in the past, the last two FSD iterations, is that the car would go to the drive-through mail drop-off or the drive-through mailbox. Let's see what it does this time. This is the first time with the newest FSD. So we're going to make a right here at the stop sign. And then after that right, I should go straight. However, as I mentioned in the most recent past, the car has veered to the left. So here we go. So you can see there's arrows here showing straight, and the car is going through the drive-through again. Interesting. I don't quite know why it does this, to be honest with you. And look at this. You can't see it, but it took me right to the place to put my hand out the window and drop off mail. So perhaps it's as simple as that. Let's see if it parks. Yeah, it's going to park. So it knew I was coming here to park. I'll be right back. Next up, though I don't need charging, I am going to ask the Grok to take me to the closest supercharger. I've not tried this. Navigate to the closest Tesla supercharger.
Navigating to the closest supercharger at Meyer Way in Lexington, Kentucky, about 2.3 miles away. ETA around 5 minutes, depending on traffic.
Let's go.
On our way to the supercharger at Meyer Way in Lexington, Kentucky. Sit back and
All right, here we go. So as you saw, this drive's only a couple of miles. So the issue there only was that it didn't give me the specific navigation instructions, but it did pick the right charger. The reason I'm going there, actually, I'm going to go do some shopping there. But the other reason is apparently there is a new 3D um, supercharger look. So let's see what we got. We are going to make an unprotected left coming up. There is a line of mail trucks behind me. Today is the Friday before Christmas. So I am safe on the left and I am safe on the right. Let's see what we do here. So perfect, perfect, and more perfect. So after this truck, I only have a car coming from my left. Now I am free to go. And go we did. Now we have to go over 3 lanes here, and we did. And then ahead, we're going to make a right turn, so we're going to have to go over 1 more lane. This may be a bit of a mistake, being in this lane and not the lane on the right. Let's see if we're fast enough. We did not get into the turn lane. Now the blinker's on, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 cars on the right coming towards me. There's 2 cars on the right of me. 3 cars on the right of me. 4. All right, there's nobody in the right lane now. Here we go. So I think we're going to make a right from the straight and the left turn lane here. And that's exactly what we did. Oh, that was poor. Last night when I was driving, it made a horrible direction mistake also. Nice going around that truck. Nice. We're going to make a left in a 1/10 of a mile. It's a 3-way stop. There is a car on the left pulling up. I beat him, so I actually should be first, and we didn't go. I should be after this truck that just passed, and we did. I meant SUV. We're going to have one roundabout, and I have been nothing but impressed with the roundabout work that I have seen in all of the releases in both 13 and 14. If you didn't know, there is a tremendous amount of items in this particular release. A lot of fun items, by the way, but there were a lot of items. Grok navigation, photo booth. I use it with my grandchildren. There's a dog mode with a nice little picture. There's an update to the dash cam viewer. You've seen Santa mode. I did a video on the light show, paint shop, navigation improvements, HOV lane routing, phone left behind. You can now shut off your Wi-Fi charger. So I'm not going to go through all that because there's so many videos with that on it, but lots of just nice stuff. Here's the roundabout. There's a truck coming in. Awesome. Perfect. That's exactly what I would have done. I'm liking this. Meyer's coming up on the left. I've actually never charged at this particular one, so I'm not sure where the chargers are. But let's see if it shows here at destination park at charger. Whoa, perfect. A little bit more aggressive, which I wanted because it had been a little bit too conservative. I see the chargers right to my left, so we should be making a left shortly. Here comes a Tesla. Guess where he's going? Oh my God. There, there's a line, I think, here at the Teslas. Oh, no, it's not. They're on the other side. There's a line here. There was a car waiting, so I'm just passing. Anyway, so it took me to the supercharger. I can't do exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to tell it to take me to Meyer. Oh, out of order stalls, 2A and 2C. Interesting. Navigate to Meyer.
Got it. Navigating to Meyer at 351 Meyer Way in Lexington, Kansas. It's just 200 feet away, about 1 minute.
I actually think he said Lexington, Kansas. But anyway, let's see where we park.
You're already there. Parked right near Meyer at 351.
The store is over here. Oh, look at all cars and people. So you can see the people are elves. The entrance is directly on my left. The first time I did parking, it actually took me to a handicap spot. It has not done that the last two releases. Looks like I'm heading over here. I do notice that it always, where there's plenty of spaces, it always seems to park directly next to another vehicle. But okay, we are parked. I have finished my Christmas shopping for 2025. So let's go home. Navigate home.
Got it. Navigating home. It's 2.6 miles away, about 10 minutes, arriving around 12:03 p.m.
Here we go. We're leaving the Meyer parking lot, and there's that beep as there's a car on my left. Beeps
Got it.
loud.
Heading.
So maybe next time I'll do chargers with you. So there are the superchargers, and there's two out of order yet, and there is at least one car waiting. Two cars coming on the right. I should be able to go now. That's nice. I like the way we were able to get out of there, so that was good. And we're getting to a roundabout, and we should be in the lane we just got into. And it took the roundabout exactly as I would have done it. We have several three-way stops coming up and a road shift that's a little bit unique, and it's right here where the road now shifts to the left a bit, and we did it. That is the second of two three-way stops. Next is a four-way stop. I'm going to make a right turn here. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have not had to use the steering wheel. I have not had any interventions. I've had two issues. One of them was with I don't know if it was the map or what it was, but one of them where we made a right turn from a straight or left lane, and the other one was the drive-through at the post office. In both cases, I didn't have to do anything. So this is our last traffic light here, and I am going to leave you at this time, and I don't think I'll have another one before Christmas, but you never know. So I want to wish all of you a very happy and healthy holidays coming up, and enjoy them and have a great time. Thank you so much, everybody, for following.